Do you feel that in the past 12, 13 years, the international community has prioritized peace and stability over justice?
Well, I would say in the case of Afghanistan, the international community has probably failed to stabilize either. Justice has not been a priority at all, as you know, in the early days in Afghanistan after the fall of the Taliban, and in the early days there was very little interest also within the Afghan administration on justice. Justice has become a priority more recently.
What have been some of the failures or disappointments maybe in the past of rule of law promotion in general, maybe IDLO operations as well, and how can those failures or challenges be addressed in the coming years in Afghanistan?
Well, I think the first failure has been that not enough investment is made. The rule of law sector is the stepchild of peace operations. There's very little investment made in it. Over the last 10 years, only $2 billion have been spent across the world on rule of law activities in post-conflict societies. Just compare that to the hundreds of billions of dollars that have been spent, for example, on arms and military assistance. So there is not enough investment. Secondly, the time horizon of many of these projects are very short. So in a couple of years' time, we are expecting countries that have gone through war, countries that are politically fragile, countries that still don't trust communities within the country don't trust each other. We're asking them suddenly to become law-abiding, just societies within a very short period of time. That's totally unrealistic. The third issue is that there is not enough understanding of what is actually happening in these communities. The tendency is to come with ready-made solutions from outside and provide them with a ready-made package. Justice is something that has to grow in that country. Systems of justice have to grow in the country. You can't import them in. So I would say those are three key shortcomings: lack of funding, a misunderstanding about timing, and an assumption that one size fits all.